Here's how to create a 100% free talking anime character for your videos in 4 simple steps. Go to a website called Lexica Art and search anime character male. It will give you thousands of free characters, and you can download any one for free. You can also go ahead and try different keywords for matching results. For example, you can search for anime character boy, which will give you younger characters. In the same way, you can search for any character type that you need. Again, on Lexica Art, search for Anime Studio, and it will give you some really great and vibrant backgrounds that you can download for free. If you don't want anime background, it also has a ton of other backgrounds. Simply search for the type that best accommodate your character. Once you've selected your character and background, here's how you can turn it into a live talking character. First, we need to remove this background from the character. Go to this website called Remove Background and upload your character. It will magically remove the background from your character and lets you download the character with one click. If you want the HD version for high-quality results, then it only requires you to sign up with your email. It takes a few seconds but gives a more premium touch to your videos, so I will always recommend you to download the character in HD. However, there is one little hook in this website. It only gives you 1 free credit, which means you can only download 1 HD image. For those of you who need to consistently create these characters for your channels or clients, I have a great tool for you. Go to Adobe Free Image Background Remover and upload your image. It automatically removes the background, and you can download the HD background-free version of your character with 1 click. A quick note: if my content is helping you in any way, please show your support and subscribe to my channel. Finally, we will upload the character and background to CapCut and make our character talk. If you don't already have CapCut, it's a free and great video editing software that you can download for desktop, Mac, or mobile phone. Upload your background-free character and background to CapCut's media and bring them to the timeline. Make sure the character is on top of the background. It will look like this. Quickly resize and position your image. Make sure to size and position in a way that makes it look more realistic. In my example, I can zoom it a bit or adjust the position of the character to enhance its visibility. Next, we need to add a table to the scene. You can find a lot of tables online in PNG format, but I have got your back. There's a link in the description of this video that contains all resources that I have used in this tutorial. Once you have downloaded the resources, add them to CapCut Media Library. First, add table to your timeline and resize it according to the size of the character. Next, add a mic to the timeline and bring it closer to the character's mouth. You can choose any mic from the library. Finally, we will give the speaking effect to the character. For that, add the mouth effect from library to your timeline. You will notice that the mouth effect's background is green. To remove the green screen, go to Cutout, click on the chroma key, and then click on this color picker. The color picker will remove any color that you select. Click on this green color and increase the strength and shadow to 100. This will remove the green color, and we are now left with the mouth only. Resize the mouth and bring it to the face. We now have a talking character, but let's go ahead and make it look more aesthetic. We will add a monitor to the table. To do that, simply add the monitor to the timeline and resize just like the mic that we added before. It looks great now. I will take a step further and add an effect to the background. To do that, go to Effects and add your favorite effect to either the character or background. You can also apply multiple effects. For example, you can apply 1 effect to the character and 1 to the background, which will make the whole scene a bit more vibrant. Finally, I'll upload my voiceover and export the video in high resolution. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comment down below. I'd be more than happy to help in any way I can. Best of luck for your YouTube journey, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up.